Toyota 4.0 liter oil filter tutorial. This is for the Sequoias, Tundras, FJs. It's this filter that sits up here. What you don't have to do this, but I'm going to remove this engine cover. It's just two 10mm bolts, and then it comes right out. I'm going to do that. You can do this if you like as well to give you more room. I'm going to do it just to make the camera angles a little better, and it gives you a lot more room. So remove this. All you got to do is undo the front bolts and then lift it up and pull it straight out. You can go set that aside, don't lose those nuts. And then here's your filter right here. So this one, it has a cap down here on this bottom drain. It has a little drain, has a little black cap, or it should at least. Pull this off and save it, set it to the side. If yours is missing, it's not a big deal. Most of the time they are missing. What I do is I take a water bottle and I put a hole in the top cap, and then I go to that drain and I put this over the drain like that. That way when I loosen this filter, if there's any oil, it goes into the bottle, and then I can recycle it properly and deal with it like that. But so sometimes these are really tight, so you could use your hand to try to unscrew it, or there's multiple tools. You could use this guy. This is an oil filter, like pliers. You could use this to pull it and just turn it to get it off. Also, this is called a band wrench, oil filter wrench. You put this on there to get it off. It works like that. And then there's also like these things called claws. You just put it over the filter, and then you put your ratchet in there, and it'll put tension and unwind it. I'll put links to all these in the description if you want to buy one, if you think you might need one or you like one. Once it's loose, untwist it all the way. Now this one didn't have any oil come out, but most of the time, 9 out of 10 times, it's going to have a lot of oil that comes out. The oil will go down that little hole and go into the bottle, and then you won't have to get oil all over your belt and your hoses and all that. So that's how I would do it. Now this mating surface, I'll get a little cloth, shop cloth, paper towel, whatever. Just clean that really good. Try not to get anything inside of the oil area. Now once that's nice and clean, I got my filter here. It's a D3. This engine takes the D3. Now this gasket comes pre-lubed. Most aftermarket gaskets will not, so you want to put a little oil on those gaskets. Then you're going to screw this on, go gently until you get the threads started, and then once they're started, and good, you could twist it down. And then just grab it, cinch it down. You don't need to go mega tight. You're not going to space. Just tighten it pretty firm, and then maybe like a 1/4 inch turn. Once that's done, you could get your bottle here, and you'll probably have oil in this, and you could go dump it out and recycle it properly. We'll put our cap back on, wipe up any oil that may have gotten anywhere, and that's it, guys. So I hope this video helped you out. Any additional information in the comments is appreciated. Links in the description for everything. Don't forget to put your engine cover back on. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next video. Hey, what's up, guys? I wanted to tell you about this new soap I've been using by a new company called Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company. They make multiple different bars of soap with their own ingredients and fragrance. They even have a dark matter bar, which is more grittier. If you're a mechanic, you have a lot of dirt and oil in your skin a lot. You can reach them at quantumsoapco.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. These soaps are made in the US with all natural ingredients by hand. No synthetic this, synthetic that. They've been great. They've hooked us up with a Guillermo Auto promo code. So if you head over to the website, type in Guillermo Auto in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. Again, these guys are on Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. Check the links below. Thanks for watching.